Welcome to Speak Drift. Let's learn short sentences for daily routine. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Ready? Let's start.
I open my eyes. I open my eyes. I wake up. I wake up. I stand up and stretch. I stand up and stretch. I walk to the bathroom. I walk to the bathroom. I turn on the light. I turn on the light. I wash my face. I wash my face. I brush my teeth. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I take a shower. I dry my body with a towel. I dry my body with a towel. I put on my cloths. I put on my cloths. I walk to the kitchen. I walk to the kitchen. I open the fridge. I open the fridge. I take out some food. I take out some food. I put bread in the toaster. I put bread in the toaster. I pour milk into a glass. I pour milk into a glass. I eat my breakfast. I eat my breakfast. I drink my milk. I drink my milk. I put my plate in the sink. I put my plate in the sink. I put on my shoes. I put on my shoes. I open the door. I open the door. I walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop. I get on the bus. I get on the bus. I sit on the seat. I sit on the seat. I arrive at work. I arrive at work. I walk to the building. I walk to the building. I open the door. I open the door. I say hello to my coworkers. I say hello to my coworkers. I sit at my desk. I sit at my desk. I check my emails. I check my emails. I make a phone call. I make a phone call. I write a report. I write a report. I take a short break. I take a short break. I drink some water. I drink some water. I chat with a coworker. I chat with a coworker. I go back to my desk. I go back to my desk. I pack my bag. I pack my bag. I say goodbye to my coworkers. I say goodbye to my coworkers. I walk to the bus stop. I walk to the bus stop. I get on the bus. I get on the bus. I walk home. I walk home. I take off my shoes. I take off my shoes. I hang my coat. I hang my coat. I cook dinner. I cook dinner. I eat my meal. I eat my meal. I wash the dishes. I wash the dishes. I relax on the couch. I relax on the couch. I watch TV. I watch TV. I read a book. I read a book. I brush my teeth again. I brush my teeth again. I get ready for bed. I get ready for bed. I turn off the lights. I turn off the lights. I fall asleep. I fall asleep.
Don't stop here. Check out my other videos to keep learning English.